Today we're going to create a capture page with a double opt-in list. So I've made the double opt-in list before, and I'm just going to show you that you can drag and drop. It's called email first name. So if you want the first name email, you just drag and drop and press update. But if you just want the email, you can just delete the first name, which we'll do for this exercise. Confirm delete. So this one is double opt-in with just email. So we've updated the list. So now we have to go to the website builder, and we've got our blank page already here for the speed. So what I'm going to do is make that a little bit bigger. If you remember, we've got to add an element. Email marketing form, this one. Then you find the list that you want, double opt-in. And as you can see, it's got that little email word there. So you right click and you just click general settings and unclick that. So that's how you do. This is the first stage of doing your double opt-in. Just want to make that a little bit bigger, move it down a bit. So obviously, normally you put a hook of your chosen thing that you're promoting there. For the purpose of this, you have to create a new page because they have to confirm their email. So you need a page saying, thanks for subscribing, go and confirm your email. That's what we'll quickly do. So we'll call it pending or confirm email, whichever one you want. And then you can just edit it. So for the purposes of this exercise, I'm just going to put, please go and confirm the email. You can make it as pretty as you like, but this is just the bare bones. So we're going to add a blank panel. So now I'm just going to edit the words in here. So you can right click and press text. Save. Now, this is where the fun happens. We'll publish it, yes. Click on the link button. So click here and you click on page and then you click pending. So when they put their email in, they go to the please go and confirm your email. Once they've confirmed it, then you can put whatever you're promoting next, which could be Builderall, for example. So you put the link that you're promoting there, save it, save and publish, go to the website and check it out. If you want Builderall 6.0, click the link below and I'll see you on the next video.